Hi guys, welcome back to my hubby's cuisine. Today we got a special dish to all rice lovers. And yes, we are going to cook ghee rice. And I can guarantee that you haven't eaten something as delicious as this ever. And it's really easy, so here we go. Use a big vessel, start to boil the water. You can add salt as per your taste. Squeeze half a lime in the water. This is the one special ingredient for the rice to cook perfectly. Add a bit of ghee or oil. You can use cooking oil, coconut oil or olive oil, your preferred oil. Stir it. Add spices into it. Close the top with the lid and let it boil. Keep the flame very high. Once the water is boiling, add the rice. We are using about 400 grams of basmati rice. We have already washed the rice and kept it soaked in water for about 20 to 30 minutes. Once the rice is poured, stir it. And let it boil. Important point to remember, check the rice every now and then. We wouldn't want the rice to be overcooked. Check how the rice has come out. It looks beautiful. Strain the rice and keep it aside to cool off. We will need one big onion, cut it down to thin slices, 4 to 5 mint leaves, 5 mint leaves finely cut, a small amount of coriander leaves finely cut, 20 grams of cashew nuts and dry grapes. You can add more to your liking. Heat a pan, pour 5 to 7 teaspoons of ghee. Add onions to the pan and saute it until golden brown. Make sure not to burn it. It's better to keep it in medium flame and keep it aside. Pour some ghee and fry the cashew nuts and dry grapes just for 30 seconds. That should be sufficient, and keep it aside. Next, for the flavor, heat the ghee, add a little bit of cumin seeds and add in some extra spices for that wonderful flavor. You can add cardamom, cloves, star anise and cinnamon. Take a big size pan or vessel, pour some ghee on the surface, and today we will follow layer system. Start adding rice into the vessel. Check the rice, how beautiful it is. You wouldn't want the rice to break. Spread it evenly. Now add a little of cashew nuts, dry grapes and fried onion. Garnish it with mint leaves that are cut and also coriander leaves. And repeat the process. You can add ghee at every process of layer, but we chose to only put a little of it. Remember, decide how much layers you are going to do and then start. You do not want to run out of garnishings in between. The reason we are doing the layer system is that you do not want to break the rice, and the items you have spread in between the rice in layers are evenly spread across. So when you eat, it will be perfect. So guys, Here it is, our ghee rice. Try it, taste it, and let us know.